Let's go.
Hey everybody, we just got done drawing Mario for Mario Day, March 10th. This is our finished product. This is mine, this is Noah's. I think he did awesome. I love it. So we're going to show you how we did it. We hope you have fun, and let's jump into it. All right. Do you know what day it is?
Super Mario Brothers Day.
Mario Day, because it's March 10th. And we are going to draw Mario for Mario Day. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and get your Sharpie.
Let's go.
I love it. Let's start with his nose. Okay. It's just going to be a circle, kind of more of an oval going this way, like this. So.
That's a small head.
That's not a head, that's just his nose.
Oh. Is his nose like that?
It doesn't have to be perfect. And now we're going to do his mustache. We come out like this and out like this first. Okay, and now for the rest of the mustache, guess what we do? We just make little bumps. So we go bump, 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 bump all the way out. Okay, so we go bump, 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 bump. Perfect. And now we're going to color in all the mustache because it's black. Okay, perfect. Okay, and now we're going to do a big U for his chin, or the bottom of his face, okay? So it starts right here where his mustache is. We're just going to go ooh. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. And now we're going to do a big arch like this, okay? So it looks like this. We start right here, and we go up. Yeah. Nice. And starting at the top of his nose, we're going to do his eyeball. And it's going to just be a big oval that comes around here and then connects to the other side of his nose. So it looks like this. Ready? Goes up.
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 Nice. And now we'll draw in his pupils. Goes like this. Okay, and now we're going to draw in his hat, the brim of his hat. Goes like this. That. Basically, it's kind of just two little lines off the side of his head. And two little sideburns that come down like this. Boop, 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 boop.
Boop, boop, boop.
Not for the other side too. Yeah.
Boop, boop, boop.
Okay. That comes up to the brim of the hat.
Up.
To the brim of the hat. Okay. Now we're going to draw his ears. Just two bumps. One right here. One right here. And then you can draw a line right here that goes in. And a line right here that goes in. Looks so good, dude. We're gonna draw the other part of his hat. It's just from the side of the sideburn. Goes up like this. And around. Yep. And then now the big part of his hat, from the side of his ear
Ew.
to this part of his ear, we're going to do a big bump. So we go out a little bit, and then arch, and then in. And then at the top of his brim, we could draw a big circle. You know what goes in the middle of that circle?
A M.
An M. You do a big M, and underneath it, a little M. Look at that. Nice. Okay, now we're going to do his eyebrows. Arch. Big arch that goes over the top of his hat, like over the rim of his hat. And color that in. And then arch, big arch that covers part of his hat, and then color it in. Okay, we got Mario. Okay, and then now we're gonna do a little square underneath his chin. It's gonna be part of his shirt. Square, just like that. Okay, and then off to the side, we're gonna draw a line that goes down.
What?
Just a line that goes down. And then off to this side, a line that goes down. And then two big buttons. One right there, and one right there.
That's pretty good.
That's way good. Now do the one on the other side. Now, right here, on the side of his cheek, right here, Noah, we're gonna come down and stop.
Down. Stop.
And then down, stop.
Down. Stop.
Perfect. And now what I wanted to do right here, I wanted to draw Mario for Mario Day. But we're gonna do Mar for March, and then 10 for 10th. So we got our Mario here, we got our March 10th, or Mario right there, and now we're gonna color it in. Okay? Let's do this. There's our Mario. I think yours turned awesome. Is that Luigi right there?
Yeah.
I love that. Okay, well, we hope you guys have fun. Give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.